Here we are. Today we are going to make a test of these two cars, the difference between each other, the Redcat Gen 8 and the Traxxas TRX4 Sport. Redcat Gen 8 is quite standard. I have just added some option parts, but for the body mechanically it's quite the same. And TRX4 has wheels, just wheels. The other things are standard. Battery nickel metal hydride, and the tires are standard on both vehicles. On Redcat I have upgraded with a very simple method, cheap, simple, with a very soft foam. And today we see the differences between all these two models. Here is my very little rock track, but it's quite, it has some difficulties. And let's see, first on this line, that is the easiest. Then we have some obstacles like this or this, and we see if these cars, which one is better. Very good. Can go very slowly, and when I go slow I don't lose power. Steering is not so fantastic. I'm now returning back. Tires are very squeezy, very soft. And here, what's the matter? He stops. I can say that Redcat is very good. Okay, and now with the TRX4. TRX4 has the Hobbywing combo set expressly made for rock rollers, and I've seen it's amazing. Look, how slow can I go? Look, the articulation and tires. Standard tires with standard foam. This is amazing. How does it go? Sorry for moving the camera, but I'm alone. One-man band. Look here. Look here. Return back. I have all the control I need. Between these two models, Traxxas has higher wheels, a little bit higher. So this track is a little bit easier for this. But you see, Steering is wonderful, lot of steering. Then we compare the steering between the two models. And returning back, how is it? It's amazing. Absolutely fantastic. Which one is better? Traxxas, not for the frame, for the chassis, but for the engine and controllability and control of engine. Radio is, with this one I have the Nobel from FlySky, from the other another FlySky radio, and the GT3C. It's a very, very good radio. Cheaper, but wonderful. Now another trial. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's try another angle. Very hard here. Okay. But now okay, this is the limit. Nothing to do. Okay, but it's very controlled. I have a lot of control on this car. And now let's try with Redcat. Okay, okay. Quite even. Both cars are stuck on the top of the rope, but this has a higher center of gravity and rolls over. Let's try in downhill. Woo, 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 we are on the limit. Okay, TRX4. Wonderful. Woo, woo, woo. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Much more better. More steering. After all these trials, I can say that Redcat is very good. TRX4 for sure is good. The winner is this one. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, thumb up, subscribe and comment. Up to the next to everyone.